How do I wait for a pressed key? How do I make my Python script wait until the user presses any key?
In Python 3, use input. In Python 2, use ronder for input.
In Python 3, use input. In Python 2, use raw_input. This only waits for the user to press enter though. On Windows/DOS, one might want to use MSVCRT. The MSVCRT module gives you access to a number of functions in the Microsoft Visual C/C++ runtime library, MSVCRT. This should wait for a key press. Notes: in Python 3, raw_input does not exist. In Python 2, input prompt is equivalent to eval raw_input prompt.
On my Linux box, I use the following code. This is similar to code I've seen elsewhere in the old Python FAQs, for instance, but that code spins in a tight loop where this code doesn't, and there are lots of odd corner cases that code doesn't account for that this code does.
If you are okay with depending on system commands, you can use. It has been verified to work with Python 2 and 3 on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.